Next, I'm going to discuss about the try method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that coincide. So at here I have taken four integer variable. First is n1, next enter I and j. So here after I have taken three integer array type variable. So at here the row size 15 and column 25. So maximum you can enter 15 rows and 25 columns. So if you want more, then here you can increase the size. So next variable a double r. So this is array type. So this is a double r 1 here. This is a double r 2, and here this is a double r 3. Now hereafter control comes to display console clause dot write method. So whatever in double code that displaying to the output screen, enter number of rows and columns of matrices. And here whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n1. So here I'm going to enter n1 value 3 and n2 value 3. And next control comes to this point. Here console clause dot write line method. So enter the number. So this are displaying to the output screen. Here I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n1 value 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at here j value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. So the condition is true. So that coincides. So at here a double r1 0 0 position. So let's enter a double r1 0 0 position new element. So at here I'm going to enter 2. So at here int dot parse console dot read line. So this receive elements, and here after that go up increase the value of I. So sorry j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. Here let's enter a double r1 0 1 person new element. So this is a 0 1. So at here I'm going to enter 3. Next again that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here a double r1. So at here let's enter a double r1 0 2 person new element. So 0 to person at here I'm going to enter 5. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that go increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at here j start from 0 again. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at here a double r 1. I value 1, j value 0. So 1 0 person, let's enter the element. So at here I'm going to enter 4. Next, that increase the value of j, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So let's enter a double r 1 1 ohm person new element. So right here I'm going to enter 5. Now that go up increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at a double r 1 and 2. So 1 2 person, let's enter the element. So right here I'm going to enter 7. Next, that increase the value of j, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase, so I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than n1 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at here j start from 0 again. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So let's enter 8 or 1 to 0% element. So at here I'm going to enter 3. Next, that go up increase the value of j. So j is now 1. Check the condition 1 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So let's enter 8 or 1 or 2 and 1 person new element. So right here I'm going to enter 4. Next, that increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So let's enter 8 or 1 2 person new element. So 2 person at here I'm going to enter 3. Hereafter, that increase the value of j, so j is 3 now. Check the condition, 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter, I increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition, 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter, control comes to this point. At here, console class dot write line method, so enter the second matrix, so this are displaying to the output screen here, for loop. So I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n1 value 3 condition is to that coincides at for j start from 0 check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3 condition is to that coincides so at 8 or 2 0% let's enter the element. So at here I'm going to enter 2. Next to that curve increase the value of j, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n2 value 3 condition is 2, so that coincides. So at here let's enter 8 or 2 or 0 1%, so at here I'm going to enter 5. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than n2 value 3 condition is 2, that coincides. So let's enter 8 over 2 0 2% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 6. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n1 value 3 condition is true, that coincides. So at here j is start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3 condition is true, that coincides. So at here 8 or 2 I value is 1 j value is 0. So let's enter 8 or 2 10% element. So at here I'm going to enter 3. Next to that, increase the value of j again. So j is 1 now. Check the condition. 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincides. So at 8 over 2, 1% let's enter the element. So at I'm going to enter 2. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3 condition is to that coincides. So let's enter 8 over 2, 2% new element. So at I'm going to enter 3. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is not 2. Check the condition 2 less than n1 value 3 condition is 2. So j start from 0 again. Here check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3 condition is 2, that coincides. So at 8 over 2. So let's enter 8 over 2 20% new element. So this is a 20. Here I'm going to enter 3. Next that increase the value of j. So j is now 1 and here Australia condition 1 less than 3 condition is 2, that coincides. So let's enter 8 over 2 1% new element. Sorry, 1%. I value is 2, j value is 1. So 1%, let's enter the element. So at here I'm going to enter 2. Again that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 2 condition is 2, that coincides. So let's enter 8 over 2 2% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 5. Next, that curve increase the value of j, so j is now 3. J the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase, so I is 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. At your for loop, I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n1 value 3 condition is to that coincide. So at your j value start from 0 and your check the condition 0 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at a 8 on 1 0% or at a 2 into 8 or 2 0% 2. So 2 into 2 the value come 4. So 4 go to 8 or 3 0. So at your 4 come. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at a 8 or 1 1% 3 and into 8 or 2 0 j value 1 I value 0 j value is 1. So 1% 5. So 3 into 5 the value come 15. So 15 go to A double R 3 0 1. So at here 15 value come. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. J the condition 2 less than 3, condition is 2 that coincides. So at here A double R 1 0 2 position or 5 into A double R 2 0 2 position 6. So 5 into 6 the value come 30. 30 go to A double R 3 0 2. So at here 30 come. Next that co-op increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that co-op increase the value of I. So I is now 1. Check the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide here. J start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n to value 3. Condition is to so at here 8 or 1. So I value is 1, J value is 0. So 1 0 position 4 is there into 8 or 2 1 0 position 3 is there. So 4 into 3 the value come 12. So 12 go to 8 over 3 1 0. So this point 12 come. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is now 2 sorry 1. At here 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at here 8 over on 1 1 1 position 5 into 8 over r 2 1 1 position 2. So 5 into 2 10 10 go to 8 over r 3 1 1. So at here 10 come. Now next that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3 condition is true. So that coincides. So at 8 or 1 1 2 position or 3 into 8 or 2 1 2 position sorry 8 or 1 1 2 position 7 and 8 over 2 1 2 position 3. So 7 into 3 21 21 go to 8 over 3 1 2. So at here 21 come. Next that co-op increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is 2. Check the condition 2 less than n1 value 3 condition is 2 that coincide. So at here j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3 condition is 2 that coincide. So at here 8 or 1 2 0 position 2 0 position 3 is there into 8 or 2 2 0 position 3. So 3 into 3 the value come 9. So 9 go to 8 or 3 2 0. So this point 9 come. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. J the condition 1 less than 3 condition is 2 that coincides. So at 8 or 1 I value is 2 j value is 1 to 1 position or 2 into 8 or 2 to 1 position sorry 8 or 1 to 1 position 4 and 8 or 2 to 1 position 2. So 4 into 2 the value come 8. So 8 go to 8 or 3 to 1. So this point 8 come. Next that co-op increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at 8 or 1 to 2 position 3 into 8 or 2 to 2 position 5. So 3 into 5 value come 15. So 15 go to 8 or 3 to 2. So 15 come and next that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. So j is 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to display console class dot write. So this are displayed to the output screen in new line. So mul matrix. Hereafter control comes to this point. I value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n1 value. 3. Condition is true that coincides j start from 0. Here check the condition 0 less than 3. Condition is true that coincides right here. That display console dot write. So that display 8 or 3 0 position element. So 0 position 4. So 4 display and plus space, so that concatenate the space. Hereafter j increase, so j is 1. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincides, so at 8 over 3 0 1 position that display the element. So right here 15 display and concatenate the speed. Hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is to that coincides, so at here 8 over 3 0 2 position or 0.2% 13 is there, so 30 display and that concatenate the space. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of j. So j is now 1, 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. So j start from 0. Here check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at that display 8 or 3 10 position element. So 10 position 12. So 12 display. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincides right here. That display 8 over 3 1 position element. So 1 position 10. So 10 display. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is to that coincides. So that display 8 over 3 position element. So position 21. So 21 display. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that echo of increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. Here j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. Condition is 2. So that coincide. So at here that display 8 over 3 position element. So position 9. So 9 display. Hereafter that curve increase the value of j. So j is 1. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So that display 8 over 3 or 1 position element. So 1 position 8. So 8 display. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at that display 8 over 3 or 2 position element. So 2 position 15. So 15 display. Hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is also not true. So hereafter that not coincide. Control comes to this point. So at a console class dot return method. So that's this take one input from keyword and terminate the output scheme. So first time I enter 8 or 1 array, this alignment, and 8 or 2, this alignment. So after doing multiplication, I got the output and store in 8 or 3 array. So next time you should try to enter n1 value 4, n2 value 4 and do the same or try and method, so you will get the expected output. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching.